Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the Garvin's 8 basic dimensions of quality. So why these 8 basic dimensions of quality is being given by Garvin's? So in the particular case when the designer don't want to reach out to the users and the designer wants to design the product itself sitting in the office, then Garvin's thought like we can have these 8 basic dimensions of quality in any product and we can design accordingly. So what are these 8 basic dimensions of quality? So these are the following 8 basic dimensions of quality. So first dimension is performance, the second one is feature, the next one is reliability, the fourth dimensions of quality is durability, then fifth one is serviceability, next is conformance, then aesthetics, and the last one is perceived quality. So these are the basic 8 dimensions of quality. Now we will see what are these dimensions in detail. So let's start with the first, and the first dimension of quality is performance. So let's try to understand what is the meaning of performance here. So here performance is nothing but the primary operating characteristics of a product. These dimensions of quality can be expressed in measurable quantities and therefore can be ranked objectively. So in simple words, if you want to understand the meaning of performance and what is that, simply you want to have the good performance of any product. If you want to purchase or if you are willing to purchase anything, you have certain expectation from that product in terms of their features, in terms of their performance, in terms of their output. So here what we are doing, we are just trying to expect the performance, and every user expect the performance from any product. That this is your first quality parameter. Now come to the second one, and the second one is feature. So when anyone wants to purchase any new product, then the user wish to have more and more feature in the product. So in terms of definition, what is the feature mean? So those characteristics that supplement a product's basic function, that functions are known as the features. So features are frequently used to customize or personalize a product to the users or the customer's taste. So if we'll take the example of a mobile phone, you have seen basic mobile phone as well as you have seen the smartphone as well. So basic mobile phone having very limited feature, but when it comes to smartphone, there are n number of features available. So users are expecting more and more features from your product. So try to design more and more functionality as well as the feature in your design product. Now come to the third basic dimension of quality, and what is that? That is reliability. Now let's see the basic definition of reliability and what it is. Reliability is nothing but the probability of a product failing or malfunctioning within a specified time period. Let's take an example of a mobile phone. Suppose the warranty of a mobile phone is 1 year. Then, and if it is working fine for that particular 1 year, then what we can say, the mobile's reliability is there. So the mobile properly worked for that particular duration. It is reliable, and here reliability is a function of time. Clear? So this is reliability, and every user is expecting reliability from every product. Now come to the next dimension of quality, and what is that? That is durability. So let's see the definition of durability, and what is that? Durability is nothing but a measure of the amount of use one gets from a product before it breaks down, and replacement is preferable to continued repair. Let's take an example, like if you have the refrigerator at your home and the warranty of refrigerator is 1 year, and if it is working fine for that 1 year, what we are saying, it the refrigerator is reliable. Okay, and if that refrigerator is working fine for 6 years, 7 years, and if it is still working fine, then what we are saying, the refrigerator would be durable, and it is durable. So durability is nothing but it is the measure of a product life, as well as durability and reliability are closely related. So don't get confused with the reliability as well as durability. That was your fourth dimension of quality. Now come to the next one, and what is that? The serviceability. Every user, when he or she wants to purchase any product, they are expecting some kind of serviceability, because if something happened to their product, they have to go to any service station for repairing. So what is the serviceability means here? Ease and time to repair after breakdown. So users are expecting a serviceability from the company as well as the product. Serviceability have some other issues as well, like the courtesy, competence of repair personnel, cost and ease of repair. There are many products are available in the market, those who are having the serviceability issue, and due to which they have been stopped from manufacturing. Okay, so the good company should think about the serviceability as well. Now come to the next basic dimension of quality, and what is that? The next one is conformance. Conformance means the expectation, quality or standard from the product. So let's try to understand in a technical term, what is the meaning of conformance? The degree to which a product's design and operating characteristics meet both customer expectation and established standards. So here in simple words, if I want to say what is the conformance, means if you want to purchase any product, you have certain expectation from the product in terms of performance, in terms of quality, in terms of aesthetics, every. And if the product meets your expectation as per the standards, you are saying the product is having the conformance. So these standards basically includes the industry standards, safety and environmental standards as well. Here, in other words, if we define the conformance, then customer expectation set the baseline for the product's conformance, as we have already discussed. So this was your conformance. Now shift to the next one. So what is the next one? The next basic dimension of quality is aesthetic. Every user wants to have the beautiful product, and aesthetics means here what? How a product looks, feel, sounds, tastes and smells, because everyone wants to have the good product. Now come to the next point, what it says: the customer response in this dimension is a matter of personal judgment and individual preference, because every individual's choice is different. They have their own taste in terms of sound, in terms of taste, in terms of look, in terms of feel. Now come to the next point, and what it says that an important technical issue that affects aesthetic is ergonomics, means how the particular product is being designed to fit into your environments, right? That is the aesthetic. Now the last point related to aesthetic is that this area of design is chiefly or mainly the domain of the industrial designer. An industrial designer is more an artist than an engineer. So ultimately, that industrial designer is responsible for the maintenance of the aesthetics. Clear? Because everyone like to have the good product, a good looking product, a good sound product, a good taste as well as the good feel of the product. Now the last basic dimension of the quality is perceived quality. Every user, whether they are purchasing a matchbox or whether they are purchasing any other product, they are expecting certain quality. So when any investment is being done on the product, everyone is expecting the quality. It is the basic dimension which is expected by all the user. So perceived quality, the eighth dimension, and it says that this dimension is generally associated with the reputation of the brand. Like we are considering, let's take an example of iPhone. So everyone is expecting, oh, if you are purchasing the iPhone, then yes, quality will be there in terms of camera, in terms of operating system. So yes, everyone is expecting that quality. Then in terms of the other part, advertising helping the company to develop these dimensions of the quality. Now it is the responsibility of that particular organization to maintain the quality. So here in today's lecture, we have seen the 8 dimensions of the quality, where if any designer don't want to reach out to any user, he or she can sit in the office and they can work on these parameters and start developing the product. So thanks a lot. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it and press the like button. Thank you so much.